yan? Anong nangyari? Nung April 15, naalala mo yun? May nangyari nun eh. Involved ka doon. Meron kayong winish. Yung 11-11. Naalala mo kung yung winish mo? Oo. Eto na yung...
Thank you po! Congratulations, your wish is granted. Dear Christine, Mega World heard your wish for a shuttle pickup point from Field Plans to AGT. However, Mega World heard your louder, silent wish to have a good quality pair of shoes. Understanding the need for your comfort and your everyday walk in office, we are excited to make your every step enjoyable. God bless.
Ilabas kita mo na po. Kinayang ako sa siya. Ayaw na. Thank you po.
Humber shoes or Crocs?
Yung iba po. Ay na.
Ibang tao? Bakit ganyan ang shoes na binili mo?
Kasi pumapapalitan kami ng kapatid ko po. Unisex po.
Pwede share na daw, palitan sila.
Kung enough na po ito. Tapos nagulat mo. Hindi matawag daw po. Thank you po. Thank you po, sir.
Alam mo, nung maliit pa ako, nung shoes naman namin, Spartan.
Spartan!
Tsaka chinelas, Bantex. Ako naalala yan eh, the same emotions I had when my mom was able to afford a Spartan. Be an inspiration to you. Kahit na yung yung bus na yan, ang nakikita ko dyan, car. There will come a time you will have your own.
Wow!
Thank you po, Mega World, for granting my wish po to have a comfortable shoes to walk on. Thank you po.